Removing unnecessary keyboard languages on your iPhone 16 helps declutter your keyboard options and prevents accidental language switches while typing. Here's how it's done. To begin, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In the succeeding window, tap on Keyboard. Then, tap on Keyboards. To continue, tap Edit on the upper rightmost corner. Doing so switches the screen to edit mode. Now, tap the Remove button or minus icon next to the keyboard language that you want to remove. Finally, tap the Delete button. The selected keyboard will then be removed from the list. Once you're done deleting languages, tap Done on the top rightmost corner to save the recent changes. A quicker way to delete a keyboard language is by swiping left on the keyboard you want to remove, and then tap on the Delete button. This yields the same output as the first method. This iPhone feature helps streamline your typing experience by keeping only the keyboard languages you regularly use. You can always add keyboards back through the same settings if needed in the future. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.